IRS, 10,200 unemployment. If you made less than 150,000, has mailed out 3.1 million returns. 2.8 million are received on last Friday. I have not received mine. You're gonna get a letter in the mail in 30 days of the adjustments they made. Again, simplest people first, married people with no children, and then the more complex after that through the summer. So they're coming in. Leave your comment if you got it. I remember last week there was hardly any, or the week before. Now there's about 5 or 10%, and Facebook group as well, and friends and relatives. DETR is here in Nevada. If Unemployment PUA is having a new Mastercard they're going to send out, you have to activate it. Stay tuned for that. And we're also going to cover a real important update if you have kids on how much you're going to get in monthly payments starting next month. I'm CAPANO, and thanks for tuning into my video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button and you see my video pop up, consider hitting subscribing. I'm also going to run a contest. We like to give out money on this station. This is just coming from me and a friend on here. We've given out multiple winners. You can check back on my videos, and we're going to give it as soon as I hit 400 subscribers. 400. Just leave comments, subscribe, and like any comment, short or long, and then we are going to pick some out. Probably going to have 5 winners, so definitely start the comments after on this video. Okay, I'm going to go over the tax credit first. So 3,600 payments. Okay, if you have children under 6 years old, you're going to receive 300 a month. When it's coming, stay tuned. 6 to 17 years old living at home will receive 250. All right, these are eligibilities. You're going to be getting a letter in the mail. You're going to get a letter in the mail. Now, if you're single and you make under 75,000, it doesn't matter if you work or don't work, you're going to be eligible for the amounts I just said. Again, 6 to 17 is going to be 250. If you're head of the household and you make under 112,000, you're going to get the full amounts. And if you're married, under 150,000, you'll get the full amounts. Again, 300 or 250. July 15th is when they're going to be in your bank account. August 13th, September 15th, October 15th, and so on and so forth. There will be a portal set up next month. If you don't want it, I don't know why you wouldn't. However, if you want it in one lump sum, there'll be a portal starting next month, and you could opt out if you select to get it in next year taxes all at once. So it's going to be up to you, whether you want it on a monthly payment or you want it in one big sum. Remember now, this is a refunding tax credit that the administration came. If you don't work and you're collecting unemployment, you're still eligible. You will have a portal that you'll be able to opt out if you like, just to get it all at once at the end of the 2021 year. All right, so that's your options. I think that's big. I want to get to this. So the IRS now has sent out, like I said, 2.8, and I got to tell you, more and more people are starting to receive it. So leave your comments below if you have received it. I'm hoping to hear more good news. I know there's a way, and you can watch my previous video. It was just yesterday that you can actually go on there and put a credit card or your mortgage, some proof of address, and it will tell you approximately when it'll be there. You know, for me, I'm not worried yet. If I don't receive it in another month, I might go on there. But I know I tried it, and anyhow, you can go on to IRS.GOV, and it'll tell you exactly pretty much when you're going to get it. But I know, again, I'm telling you, more coming out this week. So hopefully, again, this is for people who are under 150,000. However, if you're over 150,000, and I said this on multiple videos, but if you're new to my channel, let's say let's say a husband and wife or 2 people, one made a whole lot of money, and you collect unemployment and it puts you over 150,000, but that over was unemployment, then that'll take you down. So maybe you paid on taxes. You might be eligible for money coming back. So keep that in mind. A question I'm getting is people who did after March 11th. You know, if you went to a CPA or H&R Block, they already had a software, so they already calculated that money for you, so you were already entitled. Again, if you selected on unemployment not to have the 10% out, like my wife, that's fine. That means you didn't get as much when you file your taxes that somebody like maybe myself who had the 10%. To each his own. However, you're still going to get money back because you're paying taxes on, say, $20,000 just for an example, and you should only be paying taxes on $9,800 if that makes sense, because $10,200 is taxable. This was the plan that Biden, remember, was going to either have increased the unemployment to 400 boost or make it 300 and give out the 10,200 tax credit, because in the math came out, excuse me, better this way. So don't worry if you haven't, excuse me, haven't received it yet. again, it's going to go through whole summer. It doesn't mean nothing's wrong. They just haven't gotten to you, just like the stimulus checks. So why this took a little longer is because they had to submit all the stimulus. They wanted to make sure the IRS is shorthanded, is what I was told, and they had to make sure all the stimulus was out. DETR says on Tuesday, which is today, this is in Nevada, stay tuned, active unemployment insurance claimants will start receiving a new way to go card. New way to go cards. Interesting. So it'll be from Mastercard, replacing the previous cards issued by Bank of America, which they had some fraud problems. So if you receive that card, they're asking to activate that card right away, even if you haven't have no funds in there. So make sure you activate that Mastercard. This is in Nevada, not PUA. This is regular unemployment. Was in a meeting today, and again, I can't stress, I've said this multiple times, we shouldn't get touched with the boost. We should continue on with that boost until September 6th. The Republican states have taken away the WBA, which is a state unemployment. However, Bernie Sanders is fighting to keep it still, so it's still not gone. I know next week or the week after they're going to be taking away the boost. Now, also, if you watch my previous video, I went over this a little bit. I understand if you're only on PUA in those states, there's 25 Republican states, I'm not going to announce them, they will not take away the WBA, which is your state. They can take the federal, don't make sense, right? But they won't take the state. So make sure you continue to file when your state is completed. I'm hearing there's some big incentives now to go back to work from some of these states that they're giving up to almost $5,000 to go back to work, even some of these states that are opting out of unemployment. So I guess that's some good news. That's it. That's all I have today. Remember to hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate you guys tuning in. I think I came on here with now up to 288 or something. So again, share this video on social media platform and Facebook as we can get this information out to other subscribers who might want to join, and we can get this up to 400, and I can give out some more prizes and winners on this channel. That's about it. I greatly appreciate it. I like to end my videos the same. Say hello to somebody. Tomorrow's another day. I will see you in my next video. Ciao.